So basically, I have to go to the gliding center. As you see, lot of crowd is there. I have only 1 hour to go to the gliding center and come to home. So I think is that it's take only 20 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, 7:50 to 7:20. We just spend 10 more minutes. Then we go. I've just studied why we are feeling so much weird to doing this thing. Why we are feeling so much weird? What do you think? What is the reason? It's because of we are nervous, or it's because of we are not brave? Think about this. Here is the thing, guys. Why we are feeling weird? It's because of nobody teaches. Nobody fucking teaches. You will going to feel bitch. 1 plus 1 is not 2. So stop fucking feeling in that way and start feeling in a confident way. Even if you are a bitch. So I need to see the banners, Tomorrow I was goes there to the banner work, and I will just see the banner and I will take it as a map, like of dot to dot to dot to dot to dot to dot. Here is a thing.
मला तिथं पाणी पिऊ मस्त गार असतं.
थंड आहे म्हटलं, थंड आहे. ए इथनच जाऊ रिटर्न, इथनच जाऊ रिटर्न.
Here is the thing. What's a beautiful view. We are working on mentally fluent. Like there is a language called English. In English language, who is the most fluent guy? The most fluent guy in English, it's all about the person. Excuse me, bro. Bro, tell me about this city. What's the name?
Rahul Chauhan.
Rahul Chauhan. Tell me about this city. What's the difference between that people and this people?
Which people?
Like this homes and that home, because this is a very rich area. What do you think?
I don't know, bro.
You don't know? What is the difference between rich people and poor people?
I have middle class. I don't know idea about
Okay, so you will see any rich person in your life or not?
which person.
Okay.
Your YouTube channel.
I have YouTube, but I'm just doing the challenge for just
Speaking English.
yeah, speaking English and become confident. So tell me how to become confident actually.
Confident.
Okay. What problem you are facing?
Currently.
Yes.
Study. Discipline.
Okay. So basically, in English, what problem you are facing? Yes.
I don't know idea. Seriously, I don't know.
English speaking, you face any idea like grammar, vocabulary, what people think of it, hesitation, or something like this, like a FOMO.
I don't know. Speaking English.
Okay, I ask you one question. Why we are feeling so much weird? Like I'm just doing vlogging right now. People are looking at me. Why we are feeling so much weird? What do you think? All the time people are thinking what people think of me, but at the end of the day they are also nervous. They don't realize it. So how to solve this problem? Man? I'm doing the vlogging 24/7. I am feeling very nervous than these people. So can I stop the camera?
No. Just record.
Okay.
You feel better?
Yeah.
Don't think about people's.
That's the answer to English also. The fear are not going to be overcome. You need to increase your courage. You need to increase your courage. Courage in simple words: action, action, action. Action-based mindset. Even if you are not perfect, but action-based mindset will make you fluent. So that's the thing I'm practicing right now. And it was a great garden to practice everything. Right, bro?
Gliding center.
Gliding center, yes. And I'm not suggest because of YouTube channel, but I suggest because of personality development to everyone. It's like at least try vlogging, start speaking to new people. Yeah, bro. Tell me about your life, your hobbies.
Hobbies.
What are you doing actually in your life? Currently,
I'm in diploma.
what? Mechanical have a future. After third year, what you do?
काय माहिती का त्याचं ना अंगाची हालचाल तो करत नाही. त्यामुळे तो
20,000 per month. So first of all, I will share you like as a brother right now. Okay, I'm a BA student. Do not depend. Yeah, I'm a BA in first year.
First year.
Yeah, in college. But as a brother, I will share you one thing.
Marathi.
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 My major subject is English, but I speak in Marathi. No one speaks in English.
Nice.
So what I share with you, bro, it's like work on your personality, man. Break your comfort zone. Like you can get a better package, but work for skills, not for money.
Ah,
Money is a depreciating asset, you know. Money loses value day by day, day by day, day by day. But skills are like
increasing.
increasing, yeah, day by day. So depend on your skills more than money. Here people are wrong.
Yes.
So I think is that work on personality, work on communication, and work on body language, work on public speaking. This is the most important skill in life. Not it's like you just focus on theoretical and you will get everything. No,
No,
it's all about opposite. Practical is everything.
it's matter.
So soft skill is important in today's world. People are so much terrified about what people think of them, but I don't understand. It's like why you think what people think of you. I'm also think like this is the NPC mindset. You know who is NPC?
I don't.
Okay, you play video game character. Video game.
I played, not playing right now. I played
Okay.
Free Fire, you know.
So you play Free Fire. So NPC.
Battleground.
You know GTA.
GTA 5, no bro, I don't have
Okay,
big mobile.
but you watch GTA. You watch GTA game.
Techno gamers, you know.
Yeah, you
They,
watch. So NPC
publish-
character is nothing more than non-playable character. Okay, they just exist. So our mind is NPC. Means I'll just sit there. I will get everything. Instead of waiting for perfect moment, you go and create your perfect moment. This is called main character. So most of the people are brainwashed by a girl come to me, a life come to me. You know, opportunities present. Opportunities. Sorry. No, what I'm saying is that opportunities present those who present themselves. So you need to present yourself to get opportunities in your life.
No,
You know what is the most important skill in life?
what?
Courage. The world will not give you anything. You need to increase your courage to get it.
No one support you.
So
You support yourself.
yeah, at the end of the day, you need to become so much courageous and do not going to be blame the system because you are not courageous. That's the thing. Increase the courage, man. Nobody gives you anything. No girl come to you and just tell you, I like you, let's go. Always you need to increase your courage. So for increasing your courage, you need to act like don't give a fuck. Don't give a fuck. Like who they are, don't give a fuck. They are dead already. Yeah.
I like your confidence, man.
My confidence comes from become so much embarrassed yourself. I'm embarrassed myself. Day by day, day by day, day by day, day by day. So these dead people are not paying our bills. So why we give a fuck? That's the thing, man. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Rutraj.
Rutraj.
Right now, my surname is Chincholikar. But I will tell you one thing. I will tell you one formula. What do you want to become? Tell me.
First of all, I want to.
Yeah, tell me, tell me.
It's
Fuck
recording,
them.
brother.
Fuck them, fuck them. Tell me. Fuck them. Tell me.
I want to good physics.
Okay.
I want to want good physics
Okay.
and I want to become civil officer.
Okay. So you need to play in this way. What you want to become? You want to become confident, so you need to think like I want to become someone that friend. Like whatever the thing is, you need to become someone that friend. I want to become confident, then do it in this way. I want to become someone that friend. I want to become rich. I want to become someone that friend. Play it in this way. Yeah, you can do hard work in both ways, but saap bhi mare aur laathe bhi na tote. You will get advantage in that other way. So you have girlfriend?
So
No.
I tried.
Then you rejected.
She rejected, but I don't want that. She rejected. She tell me, you want to talk to me, just talk to me, but don't tell me I like you.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
And first time I see in this bus.
Okay. So basically, she tell you
Listen, brother.
Yeah.
Listen. The main point is her best friend.
best friend. The main point is her best friend.
She
You know,
she
sorry.
tell me she loyal with her best friend.
Fuck her. Like I want to tell you one thing very like honestly, bro. Okay, it is you don't have the courage to get another girl. You don't have the leadership qualities.
Brother,
Because why I'm
I
telling you
want
this?
just listen, brother. She
Yeah.
rejected me on the ground, my college ground.
Okay.
That day my ego hurt me.
Okay.
So I on that ground, two girls are playing badminton.
Okay.
So I joined them.
Okay.
And I played 2 hours.
Okay.
And so I exchanged their numbers over
Okay.
like that.
Okay.